Good afternoon, class. Question number 23. Find the equation of the circle passing through the origin and making intercept A and B on coordinate axis. Since circle passes through origin and cuts off an intercept of A and B from x-axis and y-axis, now draw perpendicular from center, then it divides the chord into two equal parts. It is a by 2, means it is point P, it is O, A, it is B, it is point M. Then OM is perpendicular to OA. Draw PM perpendicular to OA. We have OM MA is A by 2, and if we draw PQ perpendicular to OB, we have OQ equal QB equal B by 2, means it is B by 2. Then center of the circle is, distance on x-axis is A by 2 and distance on y-axis is B by 2, means PM is also B by 2 because PM is equal to OQ. Then coordinate of center P is A by 2, B by 2, and if we want to find radius of the given circle, then distance between O and P point, OP is distance between P and O, A by 2 minus 0 square plus B by 2 minus 0 square, then it is square root A square plus B square by 2. It is radius of circle. Then equation of required circle is x minus h square plus y minus k square equal r square. Value of r is a square plus b square by 4. It is answer.